Amid the faltering IDF-Hamas hostage deal, Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu on March 30th addressed the Israeli cabinet, saying that the security threats that Jerusalem faces from Hamas, Hezbollah, and the Houthis in Yemen are dealt with the utmost severity. Netanyahu stated that his cabinet has decided to the pressure on Hamas in a bid to crush the militant group and create conditions for the release of remaining Israeli hostages.
The military pressure is working. It works because it operates simultaneously. On one hand, it crushes the military and governmental capabilities of Hamas, and on the other hand, it creates the conditions for the release of our hostages. This is exactly what we are doing. Last night, the cabinet convened and decided to intensify the pressure, which was already high, in order to further crush Hamas and create the best possible conditions for the release of our hostages. The second claim, that we are not willing to talk about the final stage, is also incorrect. We are willing. Hamas will lay down its weapons. Its leaders will be allowed to leave. We will ensure general security in the Gaza Strip and allow the implementation of the Trump plan, the voluntary immigration plan. This is the plan. We are not hiding it, and we are ready to discuss it at any time. Lebanon is responsible for what comes out of its territory, and it needs to ensure that nothing comes out of it. No attacks should be launched from its territory towards the State of Israel. We respect the State of Lebanon and its army, and therefore we demand from them what you would demand from someone you respect. Regarding the Houthis, I greatly appreciate the action taken by the United States, our ally. They are dealing with them with great force. We, of course, are acting to defend ourselves as we did recently. But the fact that the United States is engaging there with significant force is a big change.
Israel has faced international backlash after it resumed bombing the Palestinian enclave, where Israeli troops have also returned. The renewed attacks have been criticized in Israel as well, with civilians marching the streets after the dismissal of the head of Shin Bet, Ronan Bar. Protests also called to return to the negotiations table and to bring back the 59 hostages still held in Gaza.